Kabalang Presbyterian jong kari India, ni ke General Assembly jong ke Presbyterian Church of India. Kalapalong ye jingkan mau buram bat ban aji hikai sepang Reverend Thomas Jones. Ha khatsan tarik mentau nailor hapo dinam hall jaya Shillong. Halor kapang pedeng Thomas Jones one missionary and visionary of change. Ya kani jing ai jing hikai ni ke lecture na bentau Reverend Thomas Jones. Kabelatip kum memorial lecture on Thomas Jones one. Lasdang ye jelang play ya balapnya ya jelang du administrative secretary jong ke PCI Reverend JS Letan hakabalai dan langru unang ai buat barang ba jong ko sarkar jela Dr. D Delapang bolalong kongsan kat bau ba pol lingdo MLA lolong sembut kongsan habakan komu kongsan hak jelang Dr. D Delapang la ajingero ya ke PCI General Assembly kiblai sim ya kani senja menpelong ya kani ke program bablai turu alor hikatu kat ni sepang Thomas Jones kumno wan sakari room kasi jantia wat hapdeng jing ki babon ki bau de banya lenti hanre ul job ki baro de nama ka jing tre stom ba jing sa stom ko jang u ba menta ngilong ki breu ki badan la ki jong ki dak puli ngilong ki breu ki ba shai bat ki bereng kat breu bat ki weipat la ong biang Dr. Didi Lapang hagani ka singi la yo ki lecture ha baro ji singi na ki babon ki pastor ba kon thop no Reverend Dr. PBM Basaimon Reverend DS Sokland Reverend Dr. BL Nombri pat Reverend SI Yopnyo.
Dear friends, there was a time here we had a memorial service meeting of one great man, Professor Arad Thomas, the brother of Reverend J. Nicholson. And here in the meeting, we sat all the notices given, newspaper notices given, only 2 lines to Kapila Chatterjee, the editor of Young India said, I feel pity to poor great Professor Arad Thomas. Had he been born and brought up in West Bengal, the hall would have been full with all people looking. Here we have 2 benches, a row of benches here. Now I'm sorry to say that Arad Thomas is not a tendency to forget things. There is tendency to it. So here we put the level Reverend Thomas Jones, lest we forget. We should not forget. Let him be with him. Remind yourself that God has called someone without knowing the destiny. Has called Abraham, and God Abraham will lead you to an unknown destiny. He obeyed to the call. Thomas Jones and his wife, after a deep commitment to God, he said this word. When he calls me, I will answer. I will somewhere walking before my Lord. Well, friend, you are very well. Even Reverend Thomas Jones, with the way that traveled was William Curry. William Curry, a poor worker in the show making shop.